Hey, dash cam enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting review for you, the Miofive Dual Dash Cam. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. The Miofive Dual Dash Cam is the upgraded version of the impressive Miofive 4K Dash Cam. It features a new 2K rear camera, double the internal memory, and is powered by a super capacitor for reliable performance. This two-camera system is a fantastic upgrade to the already 5-star rated Miofive 4K Dash Cam. The front camera uses the same Sony IMX415 sensor as the 4K Dash Cam, providing sharp 4K UHD video with excellent detail in daylight. It performs admirably at night with the Sony Starvis Night Vision, brightening up the image. The Miofive Dual Dash Cam introduces a tiny 2K QHD rear camera, both recording at 30 frames per second onto the front camera's 128GB internal eMMC storage. This doubled capacity eliminates the need for an additional microSD memory card, adding to the overall convenience. Both lenses offer a wide 140-degree field of view, capturing the front and rear windscreens effectively. The dash cam's slim, modern, and slick design sits flush behind the rearview mirror, offering a clean and discreet look. Installation is easy with a sticky adhesive to attach the camera firmly to the windscreen. The Miofive app complements the camera's design, allowing you to live view the video feed and access videos and photos stored in the album. The Miofive Dual Dash Cam utilizes AI-powered features like collision warnings and AG shock sensor to activate recordings in imminent collision situations. Its built-in GPS provides time and location data for a comprehensive driving experience. The camera's bright f/1.8 lens and 4K resolution deliver sharp images, even for road signs and vehicle registration plates. Videos remain smooth, thanks to a decent level of shock absorption, even on bumpy rural roads. Each 4K video clip is around 220 megabytes, and the 128GB internal memory offers about 8 hours of record time with 4K loop recording. Collisions are stored separately in the emergency folder for easy retrieval, while the rest are chronologically labeled for effortless file management. In conclusion, the Miofive Dual Dash Cam is a superb device with top-notch features and a sleek design. Its easy installation, user-friendly interface, and AI-powered tools make it a standout in the dash cam market. If you're looking for an excellent dash cam at a competitive price, the Miofive Dual Dash Cam is definitely worth considering. So, don't wait any longer. Get your hands on this impressive dash cam and ensure a safe and secure driving experience. That's it for our review of the Miofive Dual Dash Cam. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow dash cam enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting tech reviews. Stay tuned for more awesome content, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy driving!